Good morning and happy Sunday. Today is officially moving day and I want to bring you guys along with me. We are actually moving in the same apartment complex. So currently Jared and I have a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and we are moving into a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. We got a fantastic deal and our unit is so much bigger and so much better than the unit we were in before. So I want to give you guys a tour and come move with us today. Okay, so you walk in right here and this is the living room and kitchen area. Let me actually turn a light on. Okay. Here's the kitchen area. So we'll definitely need to get our dining room table here. And then this is like the living room area. So I'm thinking couch here, TV there. And then we have a balcony. The balcony is actually pretty large. Okay, walking into the master bedroom. What I love, it's so bright in here right now, but the 2 windows, so spacious. And then we walk right through here and we have a nice walk-in closet. And then you can obviously close this door to the bedroom and then it goes straight into our bathroom. And again, I love that there is a window in this bathroom. And then you're in the kitchen living room area, but then we'll go into the 2nd bedroom. Very similar to how the other bedroom is set up. I love it because it's super symmetrical on both sides. So in this bedroom, we're actually gonna do half office, half filming studio, which is amazing because 1, it's nice that we can both work from home, but 2, it's also really nice that Jared is supporting my YouTube excitement and my YouTube journey so that I can have an actual space dedicated to filming videos, because in our other apartment, I was just doing it in the living room. So I'm not yet sure how we'll set it up, but that's what happens in here. So then walking out of this bedroom, again, another walk-in closet that is just as big, which is amazing. So it's so nice. The ceilings are so high. So anyways, this is extra closet, and then it goes into the 2nd bathroom. 2nd bathroom is the exact same. And then from this bathroom, you can then just walk straight out into the kitchen. Just a little coat storage closet. And then right here, we have our washer and dryer. So as you can probably tell by my voice, I am not feeling the best. I woke up this morning and felt really tired, kind of achy, and my throat is absolutely killing me. So I'm on like my 4th tea of the day because we have no choice but to move today. We have to be out of our current apartment tomorrow. So I took some Dayquil, I'm drinking my liquids, but bear with me if I look and sound like absolute dog poo-poo. Anyways, it's clearly open in here. There's nothing yet we've moved. The first thing I'm gonna do is just a kind of a quick clean. I'm going to sweep all the floors, Swiffer all the floors, wipe down all of the counters. So I brought up just some cleaning supplies. Casualty number 1. Look at this good helper that I have. Look at him. Okay, so much is happening. So many boxes are everywhere, but we've got the bed in here. Look at this, nice. And I did cut myself, but that's okay. Only 1 casualty. What are you doing? Hi. I'm just gonna work on putting everything in the kitchen away. And this is the part, this is where it gets stressful because I'm like, where do I want my sauces? Where do I want my seasonings? I'm thinking like, okay, here's where I cook a lot, obviously. So seasonings and stuff there, and then dishes in this one. We'll see. We have made so much progress. I'm so impressed with how much we've actually gotten done today. I still don't feel that good, but I said to Jared, I was like, the adrenaline of like almost being completed with everything. And when I say completed, I mean everything from the old apartment is in the new apartment. Nothing's like quite organized yet, but I'm really happy with how quick we moved. Let me show you. Here's the living room, and I really like, honestly, how the couch fits with the TV. This is our little map poster that you guys have probably seen in the background of some of my videos. I'm gonna put it up here later. And then we obviously have our Christmas tree, and I think when Christmas is over, I'll move it out and then center the TV, and then I'm not sure. But laundry's going. We've got the bed. This is probably the messiest room, but at least the bed's there. And I just washed all of our sheets. We've got the beginnings of all of the closet. And here is like a start of our little coffee bar. And then we'll have our Nespresso and our coffee pot. And then I'm actually gonna move the K-cups into the office with the Keurig. This might be one of my favorite parts. It's our bar cart. Let me move the hammer out of the way. We have our nice little bar cart and our cute little, oh, focus please. Nah, merp. All right, first dinner in the apartment is starting with some beautiful bruschetta and a little bottle of Prosecco. Yay, we did it. Look at this, literally 7:30 in the morning and the sun is shining on me in my bathroom. Like, how beautiful to have the sunrise in your bathroom. Good morning, happy Wednesday? Thursday, it's January 2nd. Happy New Year, happy 2025. Today we are traveling. We are going home to Illinois. Our flight is at 3 p.m., 4 p.m., and it's currently 7 a.m. Just made an iced coffee. I am going to shower, wash my face. I'm gonna shower, wash my face. I have a bunch of errands to do, just kind of like around the house. I guess I should call them chores. So come along with me for travel day. chores are complete. Laundry is done. Dishes are done. I've ate breakfast. Now I need to pack because we leave in 1 hour. Okay, I so appreciate you guys sticking with me through this vlog of us moving. It has been quite the process. Of course, if you've moved, you know that it can be stressful. Things go wrong. There's a lot to do. We've also been traveling a lot, and it's the holidays, so our schedules have just been crazier than ever. So I'm gonna do a part 2 where I give you a full apartment tour to show you everything once it's completed, and I'm happy with everything being in its place. I'll give you an update now, but I just want to say thank you for watching. We are so happy that we found this place. It has already been so much more room, and the quality of life is already increasing. So we love it. We love having a separate place to work that's not our bedroom. We love having the second bathroom. Like, it's just amazing. So let me show you the progress and kind of what we've been up to the last couple of days. Okay, I have to be super quiet because Jared's on a call in the other room, but I want to start by showing you the living room and the dining room. Something that I'm super excited about: in our old apartment, we had like an island with chairs, so we didn't have a dining room table, and now we got to get a dining room table, and I'm in love with it. Okay, follow me. Okay, here's our table. Look at how beautiful these green, like, velvet chairs are. I'm obsessed. And then kitchen. Finally, like, everything's in the cabinets. Bar cart, my fave. And then here's our living room. Christmas tree, like, we'll talk about it. Getting ready to leave, so my suitcases are out. I did that so quick. Like, honestly, 15 minutes. Like, you just saw the time lapse. Look how good it looks. Sorry, I have to be quiet because if you can hear, he's on a call. And I don't want to be out here just like vlogging away. So anyways, this is the living room. We will take the Christmas tree down when we get back. We're leaving in literally like 25 minutes. What else can I show you? I'll show you the guest bath. Oh, I'm just obsessed. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Sorry, I said I was going to go show you something else, but I'm changing my mind. I'm just so happy. And again, look at these tall ceilings. Oh, I'm like so happy, you guys. Okay, guest bath. Brand new shower curtain. Cute. And yes, look at that. Yeah, I know. Genius. I actually did not do that on purpose. I bought the shower curtain at Target because I thought it looked cute. Came home, hung it, and I was like, oh my god, it like matches the countertop and the drawers perfectly. So funny. A little decor, a little hand soap, some cute towels. I actually got these on clearance at Target. The whole set. There's 1, 2, and then 2 washcloths. $10. So this is our guest bathroom. Another one of my favorite parts is our bar cart. This bottle of liquor, you guys, is insanely huge. Look. Oh my freaking god. I got it at Costco. Same with our gin. Get everything nice and straight. Pretty. Our little pottery cocktail glasses. I love our bar cart. Can you tell I'm like actually obsessed with everything? Yeah. Anyways, let me go back in the bedroom so I can be loud. Okay, I always want to be mindful of him on his calls, so I really hope that that audio didn't suck complete ass. I guess I could show you a little bit of our bedroom. So we just installed this curtain rod, and if you can see, I'm gonna back up. Our windows are huge, like corner of the top all the way down. They're so tall. So we purchased curtains that were way too short, so we had to order some new ones. So when those get in, we'll get those hung. Overall, I am so happy with the progress that we've made, being so busy and traveling and still getting ourselves in and getting things organized. Kudos to us. So I'm gonna cut this vlog here. The next time you see house related things will hopefully be a completed apartment tour. So I hope you guys liked this kind of content. I know it's different from what I usually do, but be sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys all soon.